Welcome back. In this lesson, we will take last lesson of building components. Our first tool is converting lines to window. Select the type of your window. Click your lines to convert window. Next tool is elevation of curtain wall. Click this to make your lines group. Insert your parameter and number of column and rows. Total height and total width. Click empty place. Next tool is wall partition. Select type of wall. Insert your parameter. Draw by 2 point. Next tool is elevation banister. Make group. Insert the parameter. Click empty place. Next tool is section of staircase. Select the type of staircase you want. Also insert parameter of staircase. Click this if you want beams. Click empty place. Next tool is section step of stairs. Insert step height and total height. Go to your stair plan and intersect your line. We draw stair steps. I will make full staircase. We done it. Lastly, we add banister to our section of staircase. Move to empty place. Type LG for banister. Click from bottom to top. Also do that again. We done it. See you again next lesson.